Welcome. Today, we're diving into Power by Visualization, making it simple to create clear, effective insights from your data. We'll explore how to turn complex numbers into visuals that speak for themselves, effortlessly. Let's get started and see how to make your data truly come alive. Let's start by diving into Power by Visualizations. These are the building blocks that turn raw data into clear, compelling stories. Visualizations help us see patterns, spot trends, and make decisions faster. Throughout this talk, we'll explore how to create visuals that not only look good but actually work, giving us insights that matter. Whether you're new to Power BI or looking to sharpen your skills, this introduction sets the stage for everything that follows. Power BI takes raw data and turns it into clear, visual stories. This helps everyone, from analysts to leaders, grasp trends and performance at a glance. By simplifying data storytelling, Power BI charts speed up decision-making and make insights more impactful. You'll see these visuals used everywhere, from monitoring service levels to tracking operations, analyzing customers, and reporting to management. This slide shows how Power BI keeps things professional and engaging, perfect for leadership updates and training sessions. It's all about making data easy to understand and act on. Let's dive into comparison and trend charts, two powerful ways to make sense of data. Comparison charts help us see differences side by side, making it easy to spot what stands out. Trend charts, on the other hand, show us how things change over time. Together, they give us a fuller picture, not just where we are, but where we're headed. Understanding these charts helps us make smarter decisions faster. Bar charts are a powerful tool for comparing values across different categories. Simple, clear, and easy to grasp at a glance. We often see them in operational dashboards, showing metrics like ticket volumes or call handling times. The horizontal layout, especially when combined with animation, makes differences pop, keeping us engaged. This clarity helps teams prioritize tasks, allocate resources wisely, and evaluate performance quickly. In short, bar charts turn raw data into actionable insight. Line charts are powerful tools for showing how things change over time. They help us spot trends and patterns quickly, making it easier to monitor performance and predict what's coming next. We often use them to track key metrics like SLA compliance, ticket resolution, call volumes, and response times. For managers, these charts reveal seasonality, recurring issues, and the effects of process changes. Adding smooth animations and subtle sounds can make these trends even more engaging during presentations. Now we're looking at distribution and category breakdown charts. These visuals help us see how different parts fit into the whole. They show us patterns, proportions, and where things cluster or spread out. By breaking data into categories, we get clearer insights, making complex information easier to understand at a glance. This kind of analysis is key to spotting trends and making smarter decisions. Pie charts are all about showing proportions. They help us see how different parts make up a whole right away. They work best when you want to highlight clear categories, like call status, service level agreements, or types of issues. Adding animation, like revealing each slice one by one, keeps people engaged and makes the data easier to follow. But remember, less is more here. Too many slices clutter the chart and dilute the message, so stick to just a few key categories for the biggest impact. Let's talk about vertical bar charts, also known as column charts. They're perfect for comparing data across time or different categories, making complex information easy to grasp at a glance. We use them to track performance, like monthly ticket counts or customer metrics, because the height of each bar makes differences immediately clear. Adding animation can boost engagement, helping the audience stay focused. These charts aren't just pretty, they're powerful tools for spotting gaps, ranking categories, and driving meaningful discussions in meetings. Now, let's dive into advanced visuals and key performance indicators, or KPIs. These visuals aren't just about making things look good. They help us track progress, highlight trends, and focus on what really matters. When we design these elements thoughtfully, they become powerful tools for decision-making, turning raw data into clear, actionable insights. This slide sets the stage for how we can elevate our dashboards and reports to the next level. Let's dive into the detailed value breakdown using stacked charts. These charts show us not just totals, but the pieces that make up those totals, the subcategory segments. This lets us see the full picture and the parts at the same time. We can analyze multiple dimensions here, like SLA buckets, call types, or how workload spreads across teams. Plus, animations help by building these segments step by step, making complex data easier to grasp. This breakdown view really brings clarity to layered information. We're focusing on clear KPI highlighting, making sure the most important numbers stand out right away. These card visuals put critical metrics front and center, so you get a quick read on performance without digging through data. Animation and sound add a polished touch, drawing attention smoothly and professionally. Plus, when these cards sit alongside other dashboard elements, they give you both a high-level summary and the context you need to dig deeper. It's all about instant insight, delivered clearly and effectively. Let's talk about how maps bring data to life. By plotting information across locations, we get a clear picture of geographical trends and insights. Tracking ATM sites, for example, reveals regional patterns and hotspots we might miss otherwise. Interactive and animated maps make this even better. They keep us engaged and help us grasp complex spatial data quickly. Ultimately, these visual tools support smarter strategic planning and resource allocation, making sure every decision is grounded in real-world geography. We've covered a lot today, and now it's time to bring it all together. This conclusion is where we reflect on the key ideas, the insights that matter most. It's a moment to pause, to see the bigger picture, and to think about what comes next. Let's take these lessons forward and put them into action. To wrap up, Power BI brings together a variety of visualization types, from bar and line charts to maps and cards, making complex data easier to understand. This clarity helps us make faster, smarter decisions. Beyond reporting, Power BI becomes a strategic asset, improving communication and driving data-driven success across organizations. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.